Hi, this is Emma from Körber Pharma Service Support.
Hi Emma, I'm Matt. I spoke to a colleague of yours earlier.
Yes, he already informed me. The machine is not running smoothly. We'll look at that right away. Can you show me at first the HMI screen and the error code, please?
With Körber Xpert View, a Körber team is instantly on the shop floor, ready to provide support in real time. Simple, fast, secure. The Körber Xpert sees what you see and helps reduce downtime by up to 70% and optimize production quality during commissioning, troubleshooting and spare parts replacement. Simply download the app and off you go.
Very good, Matt. I would like to share my screen for you so you can see a plan. And I would like you to check at first the scale number 2 for me.
Once connected, our experts get a clear picture and can support as if they were live on site.
There's a problem. The scale is showing the wrong adjustment.
Körber Xpert View is compatible with all common devices.
Perfect.
Thanks to augmented reality, highly precise instructions are possible.
We're gonna get this, Matt. Please unlock the knob anti-clockwise and push the scale to number 22.
Complex processes become easy to handle. Körber Xpert View places high priority on data protection and is, for example, compliant with the general data protection regulation laws of the European Union.
Great, it's running. Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome, anytime. I'm sending you the documentation and the report now.
Get Körber Xpert View within our remote service packages. Get in contact now. Körber Xpert View, your Körber expert on your shop floor at the push of a button.